In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import online CSV data to Google Sheets in a quick and easy way. Using the import data function in Google Sheets, you can effortlessly pull in data from a CSV file hosted online, making data analysis and management more efficient than ever. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to find a website that offers sample CSV files. Many data sources online use CSV format to provide easy access to raw data. Once you've navigated to one of these sites, simply locate a link to a CSV file. With your mouse, right-click on the link to open a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Copy Link Address. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for the next step. With the CSV file link copied, head over to your Google Sheets document. Select an empty cell where you'd like the data from the CSV file to be imported. This cell will be your starting point, so it's important to choose one that ensures there's enough space below and next to it for all the data that will be imported. In the chosen cell, begin by typing the equals sign, which is how formulas are initiated in Google Sheets. Directly after the equals sign, type the word IMPORTDATA in all caps. Google Sheets is case-insensitive for its functions, but using uppercase can help distinguish functions from other text. Following IMPORTDATA, open a parenthesis. Now, it's time to paste the URL you copied earlier. Paste it right after the open parenthesis, but make sure to enclose the URL in quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets you're working with a text string. Your formula should now look something like this. Import data http://example.com sample.csv. Once you've finished typing the formula, just press the Enter key on your keyboard. Google Sheets will start processing the function and reach out to the provided URL to fetch the data. After a brief moment, you should see the data from the CSV file populate the sheet starting from the cell you selected. Google Sheets automatically organizes the data into columns and rows as defined in the CSV file, making it ready for analysis or manipulation according to your needs. And there you have it. We've successfully imported data from an online CSV file into Google Sheets. This functionality is particularly useful when dealing with data that updates regularly, as you can set up your sheet once and simply refresh it as new data becomes available. Thank you for watching and happy data managing.